So circle cyclic properties. In this problem BF is given parallel to DC. ठीक? Then this angle will be equal to this angle, alternate angles. This angle and this angle is supplementary, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So if this is 92, this will be 180 minus 92, then what it will be? 88 degree. And if this is 88 degree, this is also 88 degree. And it is asked ADC, external angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, that is total is 108 degree, is equal to the opposite internal angle. So this will also be 108 degree. ठीक? So first step, angle BCD is equal to 180 degree minus angle DAB, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. ठीक? Next I have to calculate this angle. Which one? This angle. So BF is parallel to DC. BF parallel DC. This is how we will write. BC is the transversal. BC is transversal. So angle BCD is equal to angle CBF, that is equal to 88 degree. Next, angle ADC equal to angle CBE, external angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to opposite internal angle. So what is angle CBE? 88 plus 20, that will be equal to 108 degree. Answer. And here is another answer. This one I have not calculated. So this is minus 92 degree. 88 degree. Answer. Coming to the next problem, we have to calculate angle Y and angle X. ठीक? Exactly 3-line problem. This is angle at periphery. This is angle at periphery. So from periphery I will first go to the circumference like this. And then I will come back to center like this. From here also I will go to center like this. So Y is the corresponding angle at center with respect to 50 degree on the opposite side. So can I say angle DAO into 2 is equal to angle Y. From the periphery to the circumference, the chord is BD. This angle is coming from chord BD or arc BD. From the arc BD, the angle at the center is Y, and we know angle at the center is twice the angle at the periphery. So if this is 50, this will be 100 degree. So angle Y is 2 into 50 degree, that is 100 degree. ठीक. Next, if I want to calculate this angle, why I need this angle? Because again x is at periphery. X is at periphery. So from x I will come to the circumference like this. What is the chord? BD. Still the chord is BD and it is forming an angle, this one, DOB. But in this time I have to take the external part of it, angle opposite to this one. So external angle BOD is 360 degree minus 100 degree. How much? 260 degree. So this is 260 degree. And we know angle X is half of this angle. Correct? So angle X is half of angle BOD external. Tick. So this will be half into 260 degree, that will be 130 degree. This will be one answer and this will be another answer. Tick. Huh? So approximately 3 lines. Acha. In this problem, at first I have to calculate angle BOD, that is this angle. So ekdam this is pretty clear, that is this is 75, come to the circumference, go to the center angle is 150 degree, double of the angle at periphery. Simple. Next, angle BCD. So this is 150 degree. I am not giving any statements at this moment. Next, angle BCD. Angle BCD is the opposite angle of this cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, opposite to this one. So if this is 75 degree, this will be 180 minus 75 degree. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. So 180 minus 75 is 105 degree. Next is BOC. That means this angle. How it is 75? See, this is CD, this is CB, both are equal. Equal chord subtends equal angles at center, equal chord subtends equal angles at circumference. Equal chords subtends equal angles at center. If this is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. So if this subtends x, then this is also subtending x over here. So these two angles are equal. So if this total is 150 degree, this will be 75 degree and this will also be definitely 75 degree. Okay. So here you have to write equal chords subtends equal angles. This is from chord properties at center. I am giving you more idea on this. This is a segment, this is a chord. If this chord subtends an angle at periphery, say x, then this chord will also subtend here x, here x, because in each of this case this chord is same or equal. So if I am having two equal chords like this, one is subtending this angle, another is subtending this angle, so then also this angle and this angle will be equal. Huh? And if these two are equal, if this is x, this is x, then if this is the center, then this is, see this chord is subtending this angle at center, and this angle is basically the corresponding angle to this one at periphery. So if this is x, this will be 2x. If this is x, this will be 2x. So equal chords always subtend same angle at center as well as periphery. Huh? Clear? So this is 75, this is 75.
But sir, If the BO and OD are not equal,
then it will be different angle. Then it will be BO and OD or BC and CD.
No sir, BO and OD are
BO and OD are radius. How can they not be equal?
Oh, that's what I'm saying. If they are not equal, then
How can the radius be not equal?
yes, that's what I'm saying. If
In a circle, radius is always equal. Good. स्टाइल मारते के केस खेगा ठीक है अच्छा नेक्स्ट एंगल OBD means this angle. See, OB and OD is same radius. This is 150 degree. So this is a isosceles triangle. If this is X, let's take this as Y, then this is also Y. Right? Y plus 150. In triangle OBD, Y plus 150 is equal to 180 degree. So from here 2Y will be 180 minus 150, that is 30 degree, and Y will be 30 by 2, 15 degree. So OBD will be 15 degree. Achha. Here we have to prove triangle AED is isosceles triangle. So somehow I have to prove this angle and this angle is equal. Somehow. Then job is done. Right? If this angle is X, this is parallel, right? This is parallel. So if this is parallel and this is the transversal, then what will be this angle? 180 minus X. Co-interior angles. And this angle and this angle is supplementary. So if this is 180 minus X, then this will be X. So this is also X, this is also X. So just push. देखो, here we have a cyclic quadrilateral ABDC, ठीक? So if this angle is X, what is this angle? 180 minus X. Then what is this angle? So this angle and this angle is equal. If this angle is Y, then this angle will be also Y. Why? Exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angle. So in triangles ACO and OBD, angle ACO is equal to angle ACO, this one is equal to angle DBO. Exterior angle equal to opposite interior angle in a cyclic quadrilateral. Similarly, angle CAO equal to angle BDO. Reason same. Actually I don't have to prove this like this, because already we know this exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angle. Okay? So from these two part I can say that triangle ACO is similar to triangle OBD by AA axiom of similarity. Angle. If two angles are equal, then all the angles of the corresponding triangles will be equal. So at this moment I am having two triangles. I have to calculate AB. So first from these two triangles I have to create that ratio equality. In similarity we did something called ratio equality. If these two triangles are similar, so I will take these two triangles separately like this. So this is O, this is D this is B, and this angle D is X, angle B is Y. This will help me to identify. And the bigger triangle is OCA. Clear? At angle C this is Y, at angle A this is X. This is very much necessary to ensure that we don't make any mistake while writing the ratio terms. Hello, while writing the ratio terms. So if these two triangles are similar, then first I am taking angle Y. What is the side opposite to angle Y? OD. Here also I will take angle Y. What is the side opposite to angle Y? OA, not OC, OA, opposite to angle Y. It is invariably what mistake we do? We take this side divided by this side. That is not the case. Always you will have to take whichever angle is equal, Y equal to Y. So opposite to angle of Y is OD, that is corresponding to opposite to angle of Y in this triangle, that is OA. Clear? Is equal to. What is the next angle? X. So opposite to angle X, opposite to angle X, OB. Here opposite to angle X, OC. Now the next angle doesn't really matter to me, this two. So this will be DB by CA. Now the question is, I don't have any AB over here, doesn't matter, I can calculate. I can calculate. What is there? CD is there. CD is there? No, no CD is there. DO and BO is there. So here I have DO and here I have BO. This much is there with me. ठीक? Now somehow I have to find out AB. I also have CD. What is CD? CD. That means I have this. So I will mark in this diagram. CD is 2 centimeter. OD is 6 centimeter. OD is 6 centimeter and OB is how much? 3 centimeter. I need CD. I need AB, right? I need this one. This one is not known to me. So if I somehow can calculate OA, then I can subtract this part to get this much. Where is OA? Here. So this one I have to calculate. So this is known, right? OB, OD. OB is known, OD is known. Okay. OC is not known. OC. OC is also known. How much? 8 centimeter. So I will use this two ratio term. Clear? This is how I have to identify which ratio term I have to find out. By seeing all this, I have to mark all this and then I have to find out which ratio term I have to apply. Next is OD. OD is 6. OA. OA is not known. OA is not known, so I will write OA. OB. OB is how much? OB. OB 3 centimeter. OC. OC 8 centimeter. So from here can I calculate OA? OA will come out to be 16 centimeter. OA will come out to be 16 centimeter. Coming? Huh? 16 centimeter. Then I have to calculate AB. Can I calculate AB? AB is 16 minus 3. Correct. AB is 13 centimeter. So another answer is done. Next, I have to find out the ratio between quadrilateral ABCD and triangle OAC. What is OAC? The total triangle. Correct? Quadrilateral is this part. In case of similarity, we have learnt that for these two similar triangles, area of triangle OBD divided by area of triangle OAC is equal to any of the ratio square. So I will take OD square by OA square. Both of the values I know. Yeah, I know I require this one, but I don't have this one at this moment. So let us just live with what we have. ठीक है ना? So what is OD? OD 6, so 6 square, and OA 16, so 16 square, so that means 36 divided by 16 square is 196, 256, sorry, thank you. But I think this can be cancelled out a little bit. 9 by 64. Okay. If I take this triangle, see this triangle will be there. OBD by OAC I have done, right? OAC is okay. Okay. So at this moment what I need is, can I write this like this way? You have done ratio, ratio. So can I write like this? Area of triangle OBD is equal to 9K and area of triangle OAC is 16K. Can I write like this in ratio? Oh, 64K, thank you. 64K. I can write like this ratio. Then I have to find out what is the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is total area minus this small triangle. So this will be area of quadrilateral ABCD is full triangle minus small triangle. 64 minus 9, 55K. Correct? Then I can directly use that 55K divided by 64. 64K. KK cancels out. Answer is 55 is to 64. Thick. So that ends circle part 2. Thick. So we are only left with tangent and secant properties of circle after this.